Acá caminamos un aproximado de 10 minutos, llegamos al control, espera un ratito, unos minutos para hacer el registro y después continuamos el trayecto.
We've been staying at a place close by, the Tambopata Reserve. We've seen some animals there. Today we're entering the actual Tambopata Reserve here near Puerto Maldonado, and I'm hoping to see a greater variety of animals. We're gonna walk 3 kilometers down this wooden pathway to arrive at a canal near Lake Sandoval, and we're gonna take canoes down the canal and then explore the area around the lake. We've seen monkeys. Yesterday we went to Monkey Island again to look for monkeys and we didn't see any. And today we've already seen a whole bunch of them. It's raining again. We're here in the rainforest during the rainy season. I have a rain jacket, but it seems to me that my choice is be soaked by rain or be soaked by sweat. It's the choice that every person has to make for themselves. So far we've seen in our 3-kilometer walk 3 species of monkeys: capuchin, squirrel monkey, and I'm not sure what the last one was.
Normalmente hace que crezcan los pechos de las mujeres y parte de los angelitos, los reproductores. Entonces, ahora que pasa cuando un chico consume Hay bastante.
Hola, bonito. We're going to have lunch. We're now on the way to eat our lunch. We have packed. It's something wrapped in banana leaf. But we're going to be able to eat lunch under a roof. We made it back to shore after having some trouble with our boat. We were navigating across the Lake Sandoval and the wind struck up really forcefully and shoved our boat into the shore and into trees, and we had quite a while getting it out. All of this reminding us why hobbits are deeply suspicious of boat rides. But now we're making our way back to the entrance, walking the 3 kilometers back to the main entrance where we arrived. Although we had that trouble with the boat, it was a really nice tour. We saw 3 or 4 different types of monkeys, birds, a caiman. So all in all, it was a really good trip.